Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Shopify Payments with Stripe-like verification steps, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Shopify Payments with Stripe-like verification steps, begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the settings section at the bottom of the left-hand menu. Click on Payments to access the payment settings. In the Payments section, locate the Shopify Payments option and click Complete Account Setup. You may be prompted to provide business details such as your business address and contact information. Enter your business's legal name as it appears on official documents. Next, input your business tax ID or social security number, depending on your location and business structure. Select your business type from the provided options, such as individual, corporation, or partnership. Provide information about the products you sell, including a brief description. Specify how you fulfill orders, whether it's shipping, digital delivery, or in-person sales. Proceed to enter your bank account details where you want funds to be deposited. This includes your account number, routing number, and the type of account you are using. Review all entered information for accuracy before submitting. Once satisfied, click on the Submit button to initiate the verification process. Shopify Payments will now undergo a review, which may take a few minutes to a few days. Check your email for updates regarding your account status and any additional verification steps. If required, you may need to provide identification documents, which can include a driver's license or business registration documents. Once your account is verified, return to the Payments Settings page. You should see that Shopify Payments is now active and ready for transactions. For additional functionalities, explore settings related to chargeback management and fraud protection. Make sure to customize your payment settings, such as accepted currencies and payment methods. Finally, conduct a test transaction to ensure that everything is functioning smoothly. With these steps completed, your Shopify Payments setup will be ready to support your business operations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.